The humble invention of Velcro, born from a Swiss engineer's curiosity, has a fascinating story behind its creation. The invention of Velcro is often attributed to Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral, who was fascinated by the natural world and its ability to stick things together. During a hunting trip in the Alps, de Mestral noticed that burrs from plants were sticking to his clothing, and he became intrigued by the phenomenon. He began to study the structure of these burrs under a microscope, and he discovered that they were covered in tiny hooks that caught onto loops of fabric. De Mestral realized that he could replicate this natural process using synthetic materials, and he began to experiment with different types of fabric and hook and loop systems. But that's not the strangest part. De Mestral's initial prototype was made from a combination of nylon and cotton, which was a major departure from the traditional materials used in textile manufacturing. He continued to refine his design, and in 1955, he patented the first commercial version of Velcro, which he called velvet crochet or crochet velvet. It's like trying to imagine a world without zip locks or snap fasteners. Velcro has become an integral part of our daily lives, from clothing to luggage to medical applications. Imagine a world where astronauts had to use traditional fasteners in space, and you can see why Velcro has become a crucial component in space exploration. But Velcro's impact extends far beyond the space industry. It's also revolutionized the way we design and manufacture textiles, from fashion to upholstery, which could have significant implications for fields like aerospace and medicine, where researchers are using the technology to develop new types of implants and prosthetics. Velcro has even been used in the development of advanced medical devices, such as wound dressings and tissue engineering scaffolds. But what happens when you take Velcro to the next level? How do you make it even stronger and more durable? Researchers have been exploring new materials and techniques to create ultra-strong Velcro, which could have significant implications for fields like aerospace and medicine. Imagine a world where Velcro can withstand the intense forces of a rocket launch or the harsh conditions of deep-sea exploration. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that Velcro can also be used to create self-healing materials, which could revolutionize the way we design and manufacture everything from consumer products to aircraft. The potential applications of self-healing materials are vast, from creating more durable consumer products to developing new types of medical devices. But what does this mean for the future of innovation? How will the discovery of self-healing materials impact the way we design and manufacture products? As we look to the future, it's clear that the humble invention of Velcro has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for innovation and discovery. The next time you use Velcro to fasten your shoes or attach a piece of luggage, remember the fascinating story behind its creation and the incredible impact it's had on our world. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. Want to learn more about the amazing inventions that are changing our world? Hit subscribe and let's explore the future of innovation together. Technology, and don't forget to like and comment below to let us know what you think about the incredible story of Velcro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.